Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I am your boy Gregore, and for today's video, we are going to do a miniature vlog. This vlog will contain on how I am going to do a Mayon Volcano miniature, and I will show you the step-by-step procedure on how to do it. And that is for our final examination on the subject of Philippine tourism, geography, and culture. So now, let's start making it. Measure the length and width of your cardboard using a pencil and a triangle. Make a 15 by 20 measurement that is equivalent to one port illustration board. This will serve as your base for your miniature. After measuring the cardboard, cut it carefully using your scissors. Paste your old glass placemats to the cardboard and wait until it's dry. Measure 2 centimeters on a brown box, make at least 4 pieces and cut it down. Using a sharp cutter, this will serve as a foundation or the interior of the Mayon volcano. Once you're done cutting it, create a triangular figure to form the shape of the volcano using a shoe glue. Make sure that it corresponds to the image of the perfect cone. Using a brown paper, apply it carefully to the triangular figure that you made and cover the entire object by using a glue. After that, use brown, black, and green poster paint to match the color of the volcano. Mix, 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 and blend the three colors all together using a paintbrush. Use a black copy and water to add ambience and highlights to the color and to make it realistic. Apply the mixture and let it dry. To add some spice to my miniature, I made an artificial grass using a styrofoam and I grate it to make smaller pieces that will serve as the grass. Paste it to the lower part of the volcano using a glue. As you can see, I made an artificial tree using a styrofoam and I put it in front of the volcano. I also added rocks that I got outside our house to make it even more realistic. And lastly, add all the important details and create a polishing touch to make it even more presentable. And this is the final outcome of my own Mayon volcano miniature. showcasing the step-by-step procedure and how to make the Mayon Volcano miniature. Thank you so much for tuning in and thank you so much for watching the entire video. Once again, I am your boy, Gregore, and until next time, 감사합니다.